Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Hi, this is Abdul Wahid Ali. I am from Jamshedpur and it comes out of the state of Jharkhand. If you talk about my qualification, my highest qualification is BTech and I have done from Krupajal Engineering College, Bhubaneswar in the year 2019 and in mechanical field. And you talk about my schooling, I have done my schooling from Sandhana Smriti Vidya Mandir, which is at Jharkhand, and I have 8 to 9 months of experience in Tata Motor as associate engineer in supply chain. After that, I plan to switch to IT sector because in IT sector it is a very big network in growth sector. It is a very good career growth over there, so I plan to switch. Then after I found about Evision. Evision is an IT. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consultancy company where it provides online training to the student and provide jobs and placement. So I joined over there in 2nd of April 2022, where I studied about network fundamental. In network fundamental, I studied about areas of network areas like LAN, local area network, WAN, wide area network, then personal area network, then CAN, campus area network. And we also studied about different classes of IP address like class A, class B, class C, class D, class E. Then our next topic was on virtualization, where we studied about what is virtual machine, how to install it, what is the configuration required, and in we created a virtual machine using ISO file. And then our next topic was on Windows Administrator. In Windows Administrator, we studied about we created a Windows server and Windows client operating system, where we learned how to activate administrator account, then how to change IP address, what is workgroup and domain, then we configured domain, then we learn about FTP, then remote management, then WDS, GPO, then we configure Outlook, then we learn about the troubleshooting, printer install and what is the troubleshooting, Windows troubleshooting, hardware troubleshooting. Then our next topic was on CCNA, where we studied about OSI model, about subnet mask. We studied about how the devices are connected to each other, like PCs, your router, switch, using cross cable and straight cable. Then we studied about different network topologies. Then we studied about how to configure router and switch using static and dynamic RIP and many more. And our next topic was on cyber security. We studied about what is cyber security, what are the type of securities, what are the then we learn about Linux, Kali Linux, where we learn how the attacker attack to PCs, what are the type of virus, and how to hide file and images. Then we learn about ITIL. In ITIL, we studied about incident management, then problem management, SS management, then SLA, OLA, notice period, SLA bleaching, and many more. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to describe all these things. Thank you and have a nice day.